Direktor ng pelikulang Bar Boys na si Direk Kip Owebanda, nagbigay ng update sa health condition ng batikang aktres na si Odette Khan. Matatandaang naglabas ng pahayag ang anak ni veteran actress Odette Khan na si Claudette Avellino Tandok na ipinost sa Facebook page ng pelikulang Bar Boys noong February 28, 2026 kung saan sinabi ni Claudette na may pneumonia, emphysema at edema ang kanyang ina. Dagdag pa niya, tinanggalan din ng fluid ang kanang baga ng kanyang ina bilang bahagi ng patuloy na isinasagawang medical treatment sa kanyang ina. Ayon pa sa kanya, naka-confine ang kanyang ina sa National Kidney and Transplant Institute mula pa noong February 21, 2026. Sinabi rin ni Claudette na as of February 27 ay umabot na raw sa mahigit 211,000 pesos ang hospital bill ng kanyang ina, at hindi pa raw kabilang doon ang professional fees ng mga doktor, bayad sa mga reader, caregiving expenses at mga gamot. Kaya naman nananawagan ng tulong ang pamilya ng batikang aktres na nakikipaglaban sa mga karamdaman nito. Anya, we are running out of funds. I am appealing to your kind hearts, as Mommy Odette's child. She has served the film and television community with all her heart for over 5 decades. If she has touched you in any way during these years and you are capable and willing to donate, we would really appreciate it. Taos-pusong pasasalamat po in advance sa mga tutulong kay Mommy Odette. God bless you back in multiple ways. Nagbigay ng update ang direktor ng pelikulang Bar Boys na si Direk Kip Owebanda nitong Miyerkules, March 4, 2026, tungkol sa health condition ng award-winning veteran actress. Sinabi ni Direk Kip sa kanyang post sa Instagram stories na bumubuti na umano ang kalagayan ni Odette. Kaya naman nagpasalamat si Direk Kip sa mga taong patuloy na nagdarasal at nagpapaabot ng tulong para sa pagpapagamot kay Odette. Anya, this has been a tough week for me personally. But there is some good news. There has been an outpouring of support for Mommy O. Her condition improved. We now have a specialist who said her lungs don't need to be drained again because of the improvement. She is now awake and is able to eat 3 times a day. She is fighting with us. Thank you to everyone who has helped. Personally, I am so inspired and touched by the outpouring of love for Mommy O. Her 50 years of love for her art and craft made people love her as well. In this industry, people like her are rare. She never chased fame or validation. Just quiet, dignified, and high-quality work over the years. One of the silent pillars of our industry. To see people give that the value it deserves is honestly very touching. Maraming salamat sa mga tumulong at tutulong pa. But also, Pinoys deserves better healthcare. Ito lamang nagdaang December 2025 ay nagwaging Best Supporting Actress si Odette Khan para sa Metro Manila Film Festival 2025 entry na Bar Boys After School dahil sa natatanging pagganap niya bilang si Justice Hernandez.